What's up, YouTube? First reaction video is gonna be my reaction to my new Porsche 911 GT3 with the IPE full titanium exhaust. It's like the race setup. But we're also gonna get my first in-car reactions to the exhaust. So let's start it up. It's not too bad on startup. Alright, so y'all ready for a pull? Engine might need to warm up a little bit, but this is with the exhaust valves closed. So listen to what it sounds like. Listen. It's like it's got a turbo boost, but this is a naturally aspirated car. So if you're not familiar with that sounded like some fireworks. Damn. If you're not familiar with the GT3, it's a naturally aspirated car. So it's not turbo, but when that exhaust opens up, it feels like it gets an extra boost of power and then takes off. So like I still have the valves closed, by the way. But here I'm gonna hammer it real quick. Seems like the valves are opening around 4,500 RPM. Watch this, 3,100 RPM. Dang, it's like clockwork, man, this tune. Shout out to Stage 4 tuning that tuned this car. Cause those pops are like clockwork, man. This thing it hits a big flame at 3,000 RPM. God dang. Alright, y'all ready for me to open the valves up? Let's open the valves up. Valves are open. Manual shifting. Come on. There's a car in front of me. Alright, y'all ready? Here we go. Did you hear that? The flame? Oh, that's nasty. Oh man, this is crazy. This is crazy. Wait for it. 3,000 RPM. Oh my gosh. I feel like a race car driver. This is crazy. Damn. Nastiest exhaust I've ever had on any car. Nasty. Golly. I'm changing my license plate to say boom fire. Boom fire. I gotta get gas. Damn. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. I got a little bit of traffic, so I can't really go all out. I'm gonna leave the exhaust open in sport mode, so you just can hear what it sounds like in regular driving. So it's louder, it's a little more boomy at low RPM with the exhaust open. But when I close it in normal mode, not bad at all. It's really not bad at all. So I'll open it back up and let's see if we can roll out here. Yeah, it's pretty boomy with the valves open. at low RPM, it's pretty boomy. They did a good job with the muffler setup for the IP Engineering exhaust. They did a good job with the right size mufflers to quiet it down, but it still sounds more sporty than stock. So like, let me turn the valve, close the valves. There it goes, valves closed. It's not as boomy. Took all the boom out. Still can hear like the pitch. You can still hear the pitch of the engine, but it's not all extra boomy like it was. So, good job IPE. Good job, man. I think this is the best exhaust I've put on a car before. Paired up with that stage 4 tune. Man, those guys, I got a lot of tunes on my cars before. First time I've ever had a tune this consistent with the pops and the bangs. Man, whoever did the tune, they know what they're doing. So, shout out to Spencer. I guess that's my salesperson over there. And shout out to whoever's fooling around with the maps to get the tune right. So I'm in here with Dr. Gap. We're taking a test drive in the GT3.
We tested it all right.
All right, so we're in track mode right now.
Man, it sounds so good.
There's a lot of cops around here.
It's a hit or miss. Sometimes they like this road, sometimes they don't.
Alright, so I'll gas it a little bit. So we got the valves open right now. And I'm in manual shifting mode.
So you just hit it? You don't like, well, I guess there's nothing to brake boost, right?
Yeah, I mean you could do that, but you don't have to.
Yeah.
Especially if the traction control is off. And in race mode it's off.
Oh my God. That's wild.
Yo.
Dude, the rowdiness is insane. Symphony. Oh my. Oh my.
Crazy.
Shifts are so smooth. And you feel it in your seat.
Yeah, they got crazy with the tune, man.
Wow.
Damn, bro, I can't wait to see what it looks like at night.
Oh my gosh. Man. It just sounds so good.
Yeah, I was going sideways when I took off.
Yeah.
Yeah, GT3 is nuts, bro. GT3 is nuts. This tune is better than I thought it would be.
Oh, dude, I bet. It's like, I would never imagine it sound like this with a tune. And exhaust does it.
Bro, IPE.
Wow.
IPE, buddy. Here we go.
Dude, I need one of these. It feels like a bike, it's just the instant power.
Yeah, no turbo lag.
There's a vet.
Oh, nice. Got the big wang.
Yeah, dude, it's got the same characteristics as that bike. Oh my God.
In 1 mile, gas. I don't know how to describe it.
The vet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't paid attention to it. But yeah, I'm definitely game to link up tomorrow though, for sure.
Alright, say no more, man.
You gonna trip out, bro, when you see this joke.
Yeah, I'm gonna get just a video of it too when we roll.
I think Tariq's
So you
car
see what
should
it's
be.
looking like.
Tariq's car should be recording me right now. Should be.
Yeah, I think it probably does.
Yeah, you got that
I
auto
think it does
recorder.
record. Yeah, but so I'll definitely get you something either way. So you can see that mug, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna
I
be
feel like
nice.
it's nice seeing your car roll. I like seeing that stuff. Like when I let like my boys drive my cars, I let a lot of my friends drive my big cars because those cars are easy to drive. So like the M5 the other day, I went and got my Versa from Perfection Auto Spot, the people that do the PPF and the wraps. I let my boy drive the M5 home. I was looking at that car, I'm like, man, that looks hard. Make you want to keep it longer. Yeah.
Are you going to?
Yep.
Yep, I'll see you.
Thank you.
What's on?
I think an 8x10. Yeah, 8x10. Yeah, bro.
And then you went 4x6 too.
These lanes do
I
something
think they're
weird
both
up here,
8x10.
right?
Yeah, I hate that.
Yeah.
Is it this one that
Sure.
disappears?
No, it's
Oh,
mostly coming back this way.
Thank you.
Once that fish, I'm gonna come over there.
Bye, man. I'm gonna hit you tomorrow.
Okay, I'll talk to you.
Alright, bro. Take care.
Alright, later, bro.
You gonna find out this?
Alright.
It's crazy.
Dude, it's literally music to the ear.
It's crazy. It's crazy, man. If it's just fast enough to be
Yeah.
where it doesn't feel slow.
Yes.
It's like that.
It's like the perfect speed.
Yeah, it's like you're not really racing anybody unless you're on a track, but you don't feel like it's. If it's a little slower, it feels slow.
Yeah.
That's nasty.
It sounds amazing.
Alright, let me put it in chill mode. Let's put it in chill mode. Man, that was an epic drive right there. That was an epic drive. That was an epic drive in the GT3. GT3 Motivo. So yeah, man. Next up is the brakes. I'm gonna leave it with the shop to do the brakes. Uh-oh, what's that? Dr. Gap got some bling. Those are nice, man. Those are nice. Don't go too hard, but I'll get a little pull.
It's not as loud as your pops and bangs.
It's smooth. Oh shit! Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Real ethanol helps, doesn't it?
Damn! Alright, so this car is rowdy, bro. I'm gonna put it in sport on track mode. And we're gonna hit it right here. See what it sounds like. Alright. Here we go.